Hello and welcome back once again, everybody, to Nox Asian Recipes. Today, she's making a Laksa Noodle Salad. So first, she's just going to soak a pack of noodles for about 20 or 30 minutes in room temperature water to soften them up a little bit. These are the thinner kind of rice vermicelli noodles or bihun. Laksa is most commonly known as a spicy soup dish. So while the noodles are soaking, she's gonna roast the cashews, heat them up again a little bit, get them crunchy, and then prepare all of the other ingredients. So there's the perfectly roasted cashews, gotta love it. She'll set them aside and then she'll move on to her sauce. Her sauce is based on tamarind juice, which she's putting in a saucepan, and then she likes to use coconut sugar because it's not so sweet as refined sugar and also adds a little caramel color to the sauce. And then of course she's going to use a little bit of soy sauce in this recipe, light soy sauce. The fragrance of the soy sauce plus a little more saltiness plus a little more color. And then the last ingredient in the sauce, which is quite simple, is a little bit of salt. She likes to use Himalaya salt. And this sauce, she's going to stir constantly on medium heat. You have to be careful not to burn it. We'll change everything, the flavor and the color and the texture, just until it starts to want to boil a little bit and it's finished. Then she can turn off the heat. Great. So moving right along, while she was doing her cashews and her sauce, the noodles have been soaking and they're ready to cook. So she's brought a pot of water to boil, and then she's going to turn down the heat a little bit as she adds her noodles in there, and she's going to let them cook until they're soft. Only about 10 minutes or so. Different noodles, of course, have different cooking times. So you just check it as you're cooking until you get the texture that you desire for your salad. And of course, you can use different kinds of noodles for this type of salad if you desire. We like these vermicelli noodles. So the noodles have been drained and now they'll cool down a little bit, and no need to refrigerate them. We eat this all at room temperature, and she has her other ingredients you can see: cherry tomatoes, lemon, chili, cilantro, and parsley, which she's going to prepare to go into the salad. And for the salad, she's using the cilantro leaves, but you'll notice that she set the stem aside. She'll save it for other recipes. And the chilies, gotta have them, gotta love it. Of course, different chilies have different levels of heat. She's using 2 here. These are pretty spicy chilies. You can use as much as you want, of course, any other kind of chili that you like the flavor. And the last thing she has then is big pieces of lettuce. She puts it all on a bed of lettuce. You'll see why. And she's ready to combine and make a little plate of salad. So this is Nox's unusual twist on using laksa noodles, which I said usually is a spicy or curried soup with chicken, prawn, or fish. This is a very refreshing dish for a hot day. And she's mixing these ingredients together, put the cashews on top for dressing, and now ready to serve a plate. And so you can see she likes to use a piece of lettuce to make a little bit of a wrap. Get some noodles in there and a little bit of everything else, the chili also, and then it's ready to eat. We hope you enjoyed this video and try this one at home. Thank you for watching. Bon appetit!